It's there's free and there's paid versions. What I'm about to show you, you could do on the free version. You simply click over on groups and you'll see the relative performance. So think about what I just said. If you remember what I just said about how long has smart money been buying stocks, you're literally seeing it right here. There's no reason to guess. When you make the stock market make you money, before you even determine which stocks to buy, you want to go and see which ones are the smart money already doing something in. Do you see how we eliminate all of the confusion? We already talked about why do stocks move up and down. And now we're just going to see, well, which stocks are they doing that in right now? The market on the bottom is the foundation of the power pyramid. We go one step above that is into the general sectors of the market. And you can see here, we have 1 day performance. Let me make that a little bigger for you. Performance over 1 day, performance over 1 week, 1 month, and 3 months. So you start to get a feeling. You see over 3 months, technology. Over 1 month, technology. Technology worked its way down a little bit over the last week, and it's been in the middle. So over the last 3 months and the last 1 month, technology has been strong. And if we go back over to Apple, well, technology woke up a little bit yesterday. So what we just did is we broke down the big picture of the market. Is the market obvious? Can you look at a chart and say, wow, buyers are in charge. The market is definitely going up. And how do you know that? Order flow. You're seeing them pay higher prices over time. Okay, now within the context of the market, which sectors right now are the market leaders? And we just looked at, in this example, technology over time. Then you break that down even further, and we'll show you what I mean by that. Now you're going to look at the market leaders in the strongest sectors that are following a strong market. So if we break that down a little bit further, and I'm just going to go over here to performance, you'll see that there's breakdowns over that same time period. So let's actually go into the last month. We're going to sort this by the last month. And as we said, technology is at the top of that list. So what we just did is we went from the market to the sectors. Now we're going to break it down to the individual industry groups. So we're moving up one layer on the stock market power pyramid.